Welcome to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to get an emblem off a car. This happens to be a 79 Corvette. And the emblems are normally held on with like a two-sided sticky tape. But the way to do it, some braided fishing line. Let me show you. Got some braided fishing line here. I don't know what pound test it is, but you know it's pretty strong. And you just kind of go and saw through the tape that's back there. And it felt like I might have hit a stud. So could this have tape and studs? It feels like it. Bottom. Yeah, it might. Yeah, because it hits something solid and the string just kind of, glides through it. So I gotta see if I can pry that off there without breaking it. Got a putty knife. I don't want to have to cause myself any more work than necessary. I'm going to put some tape here to protect. All right, let's see if there is a stud back there. There feels like there's something back there. Yeah, I can see studs. There's also some tape behind her, so I need to get the thread or fishing line behind this emblem so I can saw at this other tape. Okay, through that part. Got through that part, so I should be down to the studs all around now. Yep, just like that. Two locating studs, two-sided tape. If I can get this tape off easy, I will. As I was peeling off that tape with my fingers, I remembered years ago I spent a lot of money and bought this strip-off wheel. Goes in the drill motor. It feels like a gum eraser, and it's made to do this. Remember using it to get some stripes off a car, tape stripes, and it worked good. But it kind of just erases that glue. Just like that. Tape residue is erased. Cool. Now I'll just take a little bit of starting fluid, clean that up. Beautiful. Just like that. Like it never happened. I thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage and how to remove an emblem from a car. I hope you learned something, and stay tuned to my channel for other tips, tricks, projects, and more. Bye.